I'm just wondering why you're bothering me. I don't know what you're saying. I really don't understand bird talk. I definitely don't understand screeching. You gotta use your words. Use your words. No. Use your words. Can you use your words? Like, hello. Hello. Yoo-hoo. 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 Who's a good bird? Good bird. Who's a good bird? You? I doubt it. You're not a good bird. Some days, I'm telling you, you are not a good bird. You get into trouble. Yes, you do. You take all my stuff off of my table. All the time. You steal things. You rip up my bills. Yes, you do. You rip up my bills when I'm trying to do them. I mean, I don't really care because I don't want to pay them. But you seriously get into stuff. Like I was missing things on the kitchen table the other day. Where's my money? What did you do with my money? I had $1 on the table. Where is it? You didn't take it? Yes, you did. It's gone. You were the only one there. You took it. Now I can't get on the bus. So, all I'm saying is you need to stop. No, you listen to me. Listen. Listen to me. You need to stop. No, listen, Linda. You need to stop stealing my stuff. Okay? That's all I'm telling you. Stop stealing my things. Yeah. What happened to my granola bar? I know I had it sitting on my coffee table right here. Where is it? Don't try to look like you don't know. Where's my granola bar? Where is it? I know you couldn't eat it because it was in the package. You're like a little kid. You get into trouble and all you think about is you didn't do it. You're as bad as the gremlins that come here. Did you touch that? No, it wasn't me. Next, you're going to be over there playing the guitar. See it over there? Next, you'll be over there trying to play it. And say, I didn't do it. Got nothing to say, huh? Silly bird.